Hello guys, this is Ishan Ali Khan. You're watching Digital Marketing Software Pakistan. I come here with a very short video to give you a new update about WhatsApp marketing desktop based software, and now you can send button message with your any image and text message. So button message is now working very good condition. You can send bulk messages with the button message and different options. Okay, so I'm here just little video with a little video just showing you that button message is working now. Okay, my other videos are in the playlist, you can watch it. Okay, so you can see here it's sending the button messages to the different members for different numbers, WhatsApp number. You can see here button message here. You can see here button message here. The campaign is running just for the demo. Okay, the one message has successes. Okay, so rest of the messages, 11 messages here. You can see here from out of 11 one message has been success. Okay, you can see here I will show you uh, more proof that button message is working perfectly. Okay, you can also get it, and you can also do the WhatsApp marketing, promote your business and services, and get direct client on the WhatsApp. That's a very digital way and a new trending way in the market. Okay, so the image has been delivered. Now the text message will be delivered. Okay, guys, I hope you're watching it. Keep watching, and for more information, contact me on WhatsApp. Guys, this was the very little demo. Subscribe to my channel, click on bell icon, and you can see here uh, all the 11 messages are successfully sent and delivered with the button messages.